What's up, mobile traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas, and also I'll be coming live in next couple of hours around 5 p.m. UK time. So if you have any questions, other questions like you want to go through the other instrument, any indices, any other market, we can go through that in a live session. Or any other questions you may wish to ask, we can discuss that in the live session. So I'll be there very shortly. So let's do a quick analysis starting with natural gas. Now price is about to hit level of structure, which is right here. As I've already mentioned these levels in my yesterday's video, feel free to check them out. It is the level of trend continuation bullish zone, and we are now getting towards this level. Once the price hit this zone, it can either go inside the zone, it can either form any condition, which is double bottom, engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle. That is all I want to see from this area. Now on 4 hour, we are also getting oversold situation in the RSI. So with the oversold, I want to see a bullish engulfer. If we have a double bottom, that is even better. Now, that doesn't mean you hold on with the trades. Let's say we have a condition, I will go for my trade, exit, look for the next target. Maximum, I'll go 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio using 1 ATR for my initial targets. Then manage my trades accordingly. Now, as we are below 50 EMA, if there is no condition, I'll be still actively looking for my pullback entry bearish. That is all I'm looking at on 4 hour time frame. If you're someone looking on entries on 1 hour, it's totally up to you if you want to look for your entries on 1 hour time frame. So for me, pullback entry bearish is something I'm looking at this point. Also, my buy condition from this zone I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. On NEMEX as well, we are inside the level of structure. All I want to see a bullish pattern or bearish engulfing pattern, which we had right here exactly like this. That was a valid bearish engulfer. If you are my student, you know that is a valid entry here on NEMEX, and that hit the targets already, which is 8, which is the ATR, and as you can see, the price pushed down more than that, around 2 ATR price pushed down. So similarly, we want to see some more pullback and a bearish engulfing pattern. Now, it is something I've clearly mentioned in my yesterday's video, so you can't say I've not mentioned that if you're someone who trades on NEMEX. And I also want to show you that a Fibonacci entry I mentioned yesterday, which is right after the close of this candle. As you can see in yesterday's video, this candle was closing, and if you look here from this candle all the way to the zone above, which is right here, what do you see here? A wick just hit 50% retracement, and all the way from here, I've said that you can manage your trades to the zone, and which is something like this. Your stop loss is something like this. So 1.2 to 1 has been hit easily. You can also manage your trades to 1.618 retracement if you wish to, but it would be safer if you enter this trade, use it till this zone. You already got a better reward to risk ratio. Let's see the clip from my last video. At this point, all I want to see a pullback. Now it is an aggressive entry. You have seen that gold has played out nicely with my Fibonacci entries. Now, for aggressive traders, just a pullback to 50%, sell limit order, and then take profit can be to this zone or 1.618 retracement. For the safe side, to this zone. Stop loss can be above this pattern. Now it is very aggressive entry, but it gives you a better reward to risk ratio. For the less aggressive traders, a pullback is expected. Here on NEMEX, the zone is not too far. It is almost there. So look for your valid entries from this zone. Otherwise, just look for the pullback entry bearish. That is all you need to look at. Once this candle is closed, that is good confidence. Look for the pullback and a bearish engulfer. That is all we are looking at. Fibonacci entry we are just looking at on capital.com. So you see, for anyone who trades on capital.com, that target has been hit here with Fibonacci levels. And if you trade on NEMEX, your target for the pullback entry has been hit using 1 to 2 ATR as well. So that is what we call conditions. So as you can see in yesterday's video, that we have a bearish engulfing pattern that nicely played out. So simply want to see another bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, we're going to go short again. Or my bullish pattern, strong bullish engulfer, must engulf the previous candle, including the wick as well for the strongest entry, or a double bottom condition from this zone. With that, if you have oversold in the RSI, that is even a better entry. On or under, the zone is quite lower. That is totally fine. I'll be looking for my entry from this zone, which is my bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. Otherwise, bearish engulfer is something is still in the play, which is something I'll be looking at for my possible entries. Same condition I've just mentioned on the other two platforms. Coming here on gold is pushing up from 50 EMA and above 50 EMA as well. So at this point, we can either get a double top, which is right from A, or a hit of the zone above, which I've already mentioned here in my yesterday's video, from where we can see another bearish engulfing pattern. A bearish condition is something I want to see. For now, I'm not selling gold as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Sell trades will only happen once we completely break and close below 50 EMA. For now, we are still in a buy. I'm expecting a price to push up to this zone from where we can see a likely bearish condition for the sell entry. So keep an eye bullish for gold as well. Here on silver, just ranging sideways as mentioned yesterday, that we can see some range trade for silver. Buy will confirm once we have broken above this high. Then we are looking at the level above, which I've already mentioned yesterday, from where we are looking to enter sell trade. Break below will confirm the price will push down. A solid break will confirm the entry for the sell, and a solid break will confirm the entry for the buy. So for the buy trades, I want to see either this minor level or this major level. But breakout is very important above or below for the possible confirmation of the trend upwards or downwards. For now, expect a range trade until and unless we see a complete breakout. Here on crude oil is pushing down, and at this point we haven't got any entry condition. It is not a valid bearish engulfer. As you can see, the price opened below in gap. For now, I just want to see simply a double bottom pattern, which is something like this. A rejection from this double bottom area, push down without a candle to close below this low, with a rejection followed by 382 candle or a bullish engulfing pattern. Green candle can be also an entry, but that's going to be risky entry. So keep an eye, have the rejection zone ready on your charts, and enter your trade with a valid condition, which is my valid double bottom entry pattern. Here on Ovanda as well, if this candle turns out to be a bearish engulfing candle, in case you are trading on Ovanda, if you have a valid entry on your own platform, in that case we'll have a valid sell signal, and I will go 1 ATR for my target, and then I will look for a possible double bottom from this area. By the time the price reaches the zone, it will likely hit the sell target as well, from where I want to see another entry, which is my bullish engulfers, pin bar, 382 candles or a green candle, which is my valid double bottom entry pattern. So keep an eye on this entry and an entry from this double bottom area as well. So that is it for today's analysis. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day ahead.